Hi friends, this is Suzy, your Candy Crush guru. It is November 13th, 2025. I'm here for my Wordle and Quordle and no day in particular. Here's the thing. I didn't like any of the options for what holidays to celebrate today. And I don't have any new pictures of my garden. So I thought, well, what word do I want to start with? And I think there's a word that has not yet been used that I think is going to show up soon, within the next year soon. And it's the word snore. I really think it's almost time for the snore to happen. So I'm going to try the word snore. It's got some really good letters. And let's see on November 13th if the Wordle day of the word is snore. You guys know, I don't. Let's find out. No, of course it's not. But, you know, we picked some good letters, so we got some help on the board. We've got an E here, and we know the N can go here, here, or here. So we got it narrowed down. Let's see what else we didn't use. We didn't use T, L. We didn't use the vowels A, I, U. Sometimes Y, but I've got an E. I'm not going to put the Y in there. I don't want to try the word vault, do I? Oh, I've got the N to think about as well. I could try paint, but I kind of want to do more consonants than vowels. We don't get the L in there. I like the N here, like an N-T. Not that I would get an N-T for the word because I know an E goes there, but an N would go well there, I think. It could also go like N-C-E. So I don't have to keep it there. But what if I can do a vowel here and then get the L in? I could do chant, but I don't get the L. If I do the L, and I've got A, I, U, I could do, what can I do with an A? I could do plant. I'm kind of liking glint, though. What do I want, plant or glint? I want plant for when I'm doing my garden stuff, not for when I'm talking about snore. Or flint. Oh, I like flint. I got too many things going on. Brain exploding, brain exploding. I'm going to go with glint. I have a glint in my eye. Oh, good choice. Good choice. I don't know why, because I like the N and the G together. But only when I can put the G at the end. What is this? I need to figure out what this is. Hold on. I didn't get the N placed right. We've got a T. Tinge. I totally blanked out the T because it was under the E, and so I was only looking at this. Oh my goodness, it's gotta be tinge. T can go here, I can go here, N can go here. That's where the N goes. G can go here, E. Oh, glint was a good word, unless this is wrong. I'm almost certain this is right. Okay, so did I get it in 1 today? No. Did I get it in 3? Yes. I'm going to celebrate that part. But I do think snore is going to show up. So maybe on any day that I can't figure out what to do, maybe I'm just going to stick in the word snore. I can just do it every day until it shows up. That might get a little bit of a snore fest going though. So yeah, I think I'm gonna throw snore in every so often. Okay, so I'm going to now switch to Quordle. I'm going to put in 4 standard words. That'll give me 20 unique letters. And then after that, I'll have a lot of, hopefully, green and maybe some yellow, be able to figure out what those 4 words are in the 5 remaining turns I have. I'm going to put in fishy, budge, clown, Tramp. Cumin. C-U-M can go here. Has to. I-N. No doubt about it. That's what it is. Sweat. S-W-E-A-T. I think so. Could that be other things? Yes. W-A. Can't be waste, though, because we've excluded the S. Still, a little bit strange there. Now, notice this. I have no vowels except a Y. So it's got to be shyly. S can go here. H can go here. Y acts as the vowel here. L can go here and here. There we go. Shyly. So we at least know that that's where the S goes. Let's take a look at here. No C. So S-O-C-U-L, Soku, Soluk, Sulko, no, Solku. What is that? O-U, S-C, O-U-L? Nope, because the O doesn't go there. Oh, I have to draw this out. I am totally blanked on this. Oh, S can't go there. So L. L. Locus. Locus. L was the most likely shot for the first letter since C and S, the other consonants, didn't work. O can't, or U can't go here, so O makes sense here. C can go here, U can go here, S can go here. Locus. I'm just going to put in sweat because I think I just worked up a sweat with that. And then if it doesn't work, but we don't have to worry, it worked. All right, that is it for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.